First things first, visit our website luxidlabs.com/LooxidVR and go to the download section. In this video, we'll be focusing on the Windows installation process. Download the program, and when it is done installing, the LooxidVR application will open like this. Please note that after downloading our program, you'll be asked for a license key which you will have been provided in the shipment email we send you. Proceed to inserting the right information into the respective slots, and your application should be good to go. When you plug in the LooxidVR onto your computer, you'll notice that the EEG sensors are recognized, and you will also see the EEG signals in real time on your screen. However, you will notice that the eye tracking cameras will appear disconnected. This means that you need to configure the camera drivers in your computer so that it recognizes the cameras on the LooxidVR. To solve this issue, go back to our website and go to User Manual. Under User Manual, you'll see a number of other options. In this case, we are having trouble with a device, so go to Troubleshooting. The procedure for the eye tracking cameras is straightforward, but I'll show you how to do it. On our website, you'll be instructed to install the Zadig Windows application, which helps you install the USB drivers. As instructed, go to the link and download the program by clicking on the link. Once you're done downloading the program, it will open as shown. Click on the Options tab and first, click on List All Devices. Then, make sure to unclick Ignore Hubs or Composite Parents. Once done, this will allow you to select the LX-ICAM-1 composite parent. Proceed by selecting the following option and make sure that it's a version 3.0.7.0 by using the arrow signs. Finally, click on Replace Driver to complete the camera driver installation. To confirm that the installation was done properly, right-click on the My PC icon and go to Properties. On the window that opens, go to the Device Management section. You will notice that a new USB driver has been installed. Now that you're done configuring your USB drivers, when you go back to the LooxidVR software, you'll notice that the eye tracking cameras will be connected. Now, you're ready to use our device and its eye tracking capabilities. Make your research limitless.